Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing well. I am also doing well as always. This is Shubhendra from Not Complicated English. Guys, today we have an important topic to discuss. Let's get started. Guys, first know our topic. Our topic is how can I improve my spoken English? Guys, in this video I am going to give you some tips. If you are a beginner, you must wait for the last tip. So guys, my first tip is listening. According to me, listening is quite essential to improve a language. Even I personally believe that listening is the first step to learn a new language. Whatever language you want to improve or learn, you must focus on your listening. Guys, if you remember your childhood, there you used to listen to people first, then you used to try to speak like them. That is why I am telling you, focus on your listening. Now comes my second tip. It's speaking. Guys, as you all know that speaking is the silver of English. So you just can't ignore this part. You have to speak if you really want to speak. Guys, I have seen many good people. They are good at grammar, but still they are unable to speak English. Can you guess why they can't? Well, I explain. They can't because they don't practice speaking. Guys, you have to understand the difference between spoken English and written English. Spoken English and written English, they are not same. They are quite different from each other. I hope it's clear. That is why it's quite important to focus on speaking if you really want to improve your spoken English. Now comes my third tip. It's consistency. Guys, I personally believe that consistency is the key of success. Whatever success you want to get, you have to be consistent. Not only to improve a language, anything can be achieved if you are consistent. Now comes my last tip. It's keep a distance. Guys, if you don't understand this, don't worry, I tell you. Here I simply mean to say that if someone discourages you to learn English, please keep a distance from the person. I know if you belong to a rural area, you might face some problems like people can discourage you, people can demotivate you, even people can laugh at you. But focus on your English. Pay attention on your English. Don't pay attention on them. If you pay attention on them, you cannot learn. But if you focus on your learning, you will definitely speak once. Maybe it can take some time, but obviously you will speak. So guys, for today I am done. If you found this video useful for you as well as for your friends, please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to get more. Thank you so much for investing your time to watch.